Square root of 8 divided square root of 2 times square root of 4 upon 2. How do you solve this? Pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. Options are A 1 upon 2, B 2, C 4 and D 1. Sorry, this is 1. Now how do you solve this? As per order of operation, we first solve parentheses, then comes exponents, orders, indices, roots, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This is called PEMDAS. In this multiplication division, they are grouped together and we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Now, since there is no parenthesis, but after parenthesis we have exponent or roots and we have roots or radicals here. So what we can do, we can first solve radicals. Square root of 8 we can write it as 2 square times 2 under square root divided square root of 2 times square root of 4 as 2 upon 2. This we can write it as square root of 2 square times square root of 2. Remove the square root with the square, so it will be 2 times square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 times 2 upon 2. Now if you follow PEMDAS and if you don't follow the left to right rule, you will do this multiplication first. So it becomes 2 times square root of 2 divided 2 times square root of 2 upon 2. So 2 times square root of 2 divided by 2 times square root of 2 becomes 1, and then this is 1 upon 2. So we'll get 1 upon 2 as our answer. But this is not the correct answer. We have to follow the left to right rule, so that even if you follow PEMDAS in which D is written first and then we have M, you get the same answer. So first we will do from left to right, we have division. So it will be 2 times square root of 2 upon square root of 2, then times 2 upon 2. This square root 2 and square root 2 gets cancelled. So 2 times 2 is 4 upon 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 is the answer. We have square root of 8 divided square root of 2 times square root of 4 upon 2. This 2 is the common denominator. We can write square root of 8 upon 2 divided by square root of 2 upon 2 times square root of 4 upon 2. So this is 2 times square root of 2 upon 2 divided square root of 2 upon 2 times square root of 4 is 2. So upon 2, this 2 and 2 cancels, 1. Now 2 times square root of 2 upon 2, division gets converted into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted. So 2 upon square root of 2. We cancel square root of 2 and square root of 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Get 2 as our answer. So answer will be B 2. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.